Hello all, this is Harpreet Kaur. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and in today's session we'll look into distinct and filter functions of Power Apps. So let's get started with distinct function. Distinct functions help to remove duplicate values from a given data set or a column, returning only the unique value. And filter functions help to find a set of records that match one or more criteria and discard those records that don't. So let me switch back to my Power App Studio to show you all how both this function works. Okay, so I have already added one screen here, and I have already added my SharePoint list called places, which have the state and city. So let me explain you on which scenario. I'll explain you distinct and filter function. So on the basis of state selected in a drop down, we have to populate the corresponding cities in the another drop down. So for that, already created my SharePoint list with both these columns. So I'd added them here. Now, in my screen, I'll add two drop down controls. Copy, paste. So these are both the drop downs. So I'll use this drop down for showing state value, and here I'll show you how distinct function works. In distinct function, we the syntax for the distinct function is like this. We have to give a source name and whatever expression we want to give here. So I will give my data source, which is places list, and I want to distinct the title, which is my state column. Okay, so here you go. So distinct function give me this kind of data. Now, now I'll show you how filter works for this. On the basis of the state selected, I want to show all the cities. So for that, I will use filter function. So on the items property of my another drop down, I will use this filter function, and the syntax for the filter function is filter. So then we have to give the source and whatever logical condition we have to give for, so that it will give the set of records. So again, I'll use my data source, which is places, comma, the title column from the same list is equal to the drop down, this drop down, which is drop down 8, drop down 8 dot selected dot value, brackets closed, dot city column. Okay, so here you can see in the for the Maharashtra state, I have these two cities. Oh, let me show you by running this. Okay, so right now we have Maharashtra selected here. So if I see in the city dropdown, we have these two uh, cities. Now, if I select it to MP, which is Madhya Pradesh, so we have three cities here, which is Indore, Ujjain, and Bhopal. Now, if I select Punjab, then it will populate the cities from the Punjab, which is Chandigarh, Ludhiana, and Jalandhar. So this is how distinct and filter function works. I hope you like the video. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more such videos. Thank you.